Hello dear friends, we are again with you, and guess where we are?
Oops.
My beautiful hair, Tanya.
I was trying to point and I pointed to her hair. Today I'm like, Monshak, let's go eat before all freedom is gone. But we're at the, what's called Texas de Brazil. And we're eating lots of meat. It's all you can eat meat.
I'm so excited. I have lots of lamb, Tanya.
Yeah. And that's all you're eating is meat tonight, yeah?
Yeah, maybe I will take one peppercorn for a
spicy.
taste. Yeah. Whoever loves to eat lamb, this is the place to come. It's excellent.
Today I was like, Monashak, let's go out for sushi.
And Manashak answered, I cannot have sushi. As much as I love sushi, I cannot have because of the carbs, rice. So I said, Tanya, I need to eat somewhere where I can eat only meat. And she said, how about Brazilian? I'm like, yeah, that's the best thing you said.
It's all you can eat meat. Protein.
Yeah, and we went over there and said we like to have lamb. So we ate lamb, and dear friends, this is not advertising of that restaurant, but whoever lives in Milwaukee area, in the downtown Milwaukee they have, I forgot about Rodizio, yes,
Grill. We've eaten
grill.
there.
We eaten there. And this one calls Texas
de Brazil.
Oh, Texas de Brazil. So this one is the same company, yes. Same people own this.
It is?
Mm-hmm. Oh. And I was told that Illinois, where we were going in Illinois, Schaumburg, Illinois, I think, they have another one, and it's much better than this one. One of my patients told me, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I never been there, and I cannot say, but one of my patients says, and she explained why, because something there is like happening, but I'm not sure. So sometimes, dear friends, we don't need much to make ourselves happy. Sometimes just when you're too upset, like we do, Tanya and I, or depressed, just go out. Just go somewhere. Like, if even don't have place to go out, go to movie. Or just get up and walk. Walk outside or breathe the good, fresh air, and already will change the atmosphere. It's all about changing a little bit the atmosphere. That's, Tanya said when she's upset, she goes to her barn. I'm joking.
No, it's a good, I have to go to the barn whether I'm upset or not. But it is a really good stress relief for me because I focus on the animals, and it's a total shift of environment, obviously, because it's a barn. And but even if not everybody has a barn or can go out to eat, but even just going to the store to just walk the aisles, not buy anything, but just walk the aisles is one therapy we used to do.
Yes.
We'd just go to Target or Walmart and just go walk and just look.
Yeah.
You don't have to always buy or
not
go
anymore.
Somewhere.
I'm somehow, already said before, I don't know, in Russian channel or English channel, I said, I have no much joy going to stores where too much people. I don't know, after COVID, entire environment and psychology has changed. So I want to be in an open space, and yes, going to the barn, or if you have a dog or a cat or something, that's where you can get the release of stress.
What ways do you have to release your stress? Shopping, hobbies, what else? Traveling, eating, cooking.
Taking care of your kids.
I don't know if that's a stress relief or stressor.
Or taking care of your grandchildren. I think the grandchildren is good, but they all the time taking care of your kids. You need a break. You need a break for yourself. Self-care.
Remember self-care.
You know what makes me
It's so easy
feel
to forget.
good?
Though.
Huh?
It's so easy to forget self-care.
I know. But after I go to makeup store, yeah, sometimes I need a eyeliner or a mascara or something like small. But that makes me feel good after I leave the store. I feel like
Is it like shopping therapy or cosmetic therapy? Or
I
just
think
shopping?
not shopping.
Just
I think
change.
that I can make myself different. I can make myself beautiful. Something like that. Self-satisfaction.
Yes. And that's when I went for my, it was like a microderm.
I need to do that.
Oh my gosh. I have this wonderful lady, Joy. She does such an amazing job. And it's like a little sandpaper disc. And she does your whole face. And then she shows you the pile of dead skin she takes off. And then like I peeled for a few days after. And then my skin, I can see the difference. And she's doing this thing called BBL now. It's
What is
some
the
kind of
BBL?
laser, and it takes these crazy sunspots. The older you get, the more they come out. I want to try that one day. I'm gonna do that on my hands because I'm getting old lady hands.
Oh, I'm getting on my hands a
It's
lot, those spots.
Freckles, and
Yeah.
it's so disturbing. Like I was 20 years old, like yesterday.
Not only that, Tanya, we work under the sun in the garden and everything.
So Monteshok, what's your self-care?
My self-care, first time I did a Botox a couple of years ago because I saw like my eyes are drooping. And I'm like, I talked with Tanya and she said, how about you will do some Botox up? But some people I see, they doing a Botox and eyebrows all almost on the head or a forehead. So up in the, I'm like, I don't want that. She said, oh, Dr. Pawar will do such a good job. You need to come. Doctor, maybe you will have more clients.
She said we're doing beauty, and now it's my turn.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna just wipe here a little alcohol.
And you know what, dear friends, this is the best doctor.
Yes.
So you know, if anybody's interested, ask us.
I'm flattered. Well, it's been good. I keep getting updates from Tanya when I see you or when I see her. And,
Yeah.
get updates. Here, you can put your head back in, and then scrunch your brow for me. Good, relax. Good. You can relax here.
Such a tiny needle, but it's so painful.
I did not feel actually.
That's good.
Just two more, we'll be all done. Any pain? No, painless. Excellent.
Maybe I'm used to my knee pain that I don't anymore
Not so bad.
feel pain.
The price of beauty, right? So-
Yeah.
All right, you're all set.
Just appreciate it. So I went to him, and I guess I knew him. I seen him for my ear issues before, and he said, I don't do any more ENT. I'm qualified for plastic surgery. So he did for me eyebrows, and it did such a good job. So after 2 years, after this COVID and everything, I'm like, I saw myself in a video. My one eye is drooping.
Oh, that leads me to. So I started watching. I have a book on it too, face reading. It's so fascinating. One day we'll talk about that. But one eye drooping and one eye not drooping actually tells something about your personality.
I want to know what is my
I'll
personality.
tell you later. But it's
So,
interesting, yeah?
Interesting, yeah. My right eye started drooping. And I'm like, Tanya, my one right eye is almost closed. Let's go to Dr. Poir. When you go, make an appointment for me. I need it. So she did, and we went. He's amazingly good. Even he's an amazingly good person. He is so good. He talks with you like a friend. He asks you. He memorizes everything about you and asks. 2 years ago, I talked about my barn, sheep, and everything. And all of a sudden, Manushak, do you still have that sheep and what you do? I'm like, 2 years ago, I told. And he sees thousands of patients. But this is not advertisement.
No, we just love him.
We just love him. And if you guys interested to know which clinic he works, please write it and we will answer. Because he's awesome and not expensive.
I've been going to him for years is because he's a plastic surgeon and he does Botox and he knows, like, I trust him. And for me, I noticed that my migraine headaches go away. Completely no, but my headaches get better because I'm so focused of a person. Normally I'm so scrunched, but my headaches improved.
Mm-hmm.
And they do use Botox for headache treatment.
Yeah. And then I seen one of my patient. She came for chest pain, but her one eyebrow was over here, on other one was normal spot. And I'm like, did you do a Botox? She said, yeah. And she said, I don't know what they did, but one of my eyebrows so high that I had to cut a bangs. She was embarrassed.
Yeah, it can happen though. It can happen even if the person knows what they're doing, depending on how your body reacts.
Yeah, sir, eyebrow, Tanya, I'm not lying.
But it'll
it was
go down.
like this.
It'll go down. It'll go down. It takes a few months. Oh, you know what? I saw a video, interesting, that that thing that starts with a C that we were dealing with 2-3 years ago. If you got the vaccine for that,
Oh, okay.
Botox doesn't last as long.
Oh, I got the lab vaccine.
It doesn't last. It cuts it. Everybody's going to react differently, but the Botox is not as effective as long. Interesting fact.
Yeah, I learn something new every day. Something new, dear friends.
Isn't that what life's about?
Yeah,
I love learning new things.
me too.
I look for new things.
My grandmother was 90 years old, my mom's mom. And I was baking a cake. And she came to me and she said, honey, can you give me that recipe? And I said, Grandma, don't worry, but what are you going to do the recipe? I can do for you. If you need it any time, the younger people have to do. She said, no. She said, life, it's all about learning. Then your life will expand. You go with the time, and life will be happier, interesting. Don't stick one time in your life. Go step by step with the younger people. Then your life will be interesting, and you're not stuck and grumpy. My days, we did this way. So, and I learned that, and I'm like, okay, I gave her recipe. Did she make a cake? No, but she wanted to know the recipe.
God bless. That's interesting.
We are going to be old, but we can go with the time, with the younger people, and with the time, and learn and never say, my days.
I'll still probably say that. My days, we had to listen to the internet over the telephone line going, our kids have no idea what that even is.
When some people ask, where are you born and raised? And I say, in Soviet Union. And younger people, they would say, huh? I am like, in Soviet Union, there was a country, Soviet Union, and Union of countries. I said there's a United States. I said it's a Union of States, and that country was Union of Countries. And still, it's like, what
Your
the heck?
phone is ringing.
My phone is ringing,
Our
but
light.
I'm not going to.
We
Woo!
lost one of our lights.
Younger people, dear friends, some of the younger people don't know what was the Soviet Union. And when
Those
you
are
say
a lot of my
Russia,
students. A lot of my students are younger, 18, 20s. They don't know.
no, because they don't, I don't know, they're not learning history or what. I'm not sure, but that's how it is. And I'm not judging anybody. God bless every young person. And I want to be every child or younger people happy and healthy. That's what it is.
That's the bottom line.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us. And if you stuck till the end, we're so grateful. Thank you. We know your time is valuable and we appreciate you being with us. And
dear friends, if you give a referral to your friends and your close people to watch our videos, our YouTube channel, and signed up, we would be so, so grateful. Thank you very much that you are with us. Bye-bye.
bye.